Whew. What's good, everyone? This is Lev over here, and welcome to Spade, but number 11 line. I messed that up. But anyways, how is everyone doing? I'm about to react to this next video. It's called World of Martial Arts. World of Martial Arts. It's this samurai who's hold up, where's this mic? Hold up real quick. Hold up. Let me get into this. Let me get this straight real quick. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. A lot of people that watch my videos have not been subscribed. Okay. I think this is better. Yeah, this is much better. But yeah. All right, much better. But yeah. It's a swordsman who's it's a swordsman that's been doing what's that style called? Kendo or Edo? It's a swordsman style that focuses on sword and sheath style. Basically, simply put, be quick enough to unsheath and sheath your sword with the same strike. One movement. But let me get into this real quick. We're gonna go ahead and start it.
Draw your sword and cut. Next, bring your index finger to the other side of the hilt and spin between your index finger and your middle third. Bring your other three fingers to the other side and
yeah. Basically what he said. Simply put, you got to be quick enough for it to be able to move your finger at the exact time of your strike and twirl the sword to the bottom and sheath at the same time. It's pretty difficult, but if you teach yourself to constantly repeat the same steps over and over, then you'll grasp it. Much like my video, one of my old videos, I did the same thing, but instead of just quickly sheathing it back in, I added like 3 extra strings to it. I can show you on there, but yeah, let me just go ahead and let me go ahead and show you real quick. But yeah, there you have it though. Pretty much keep it simple and constantly reuse the same movement in order to master it. Now, thank you for watching the video. I know it's pretty short, but it is what it is. It was a short video, 24 seconds. But like and subscribe, and thank you. Peace.